Hello, welcome back to our kitchen. You may wonder what in the world I'm doing with such a small pot because you don't see me cooking anything small. Well, today I am. I'm making hummingbird nectar. I've got my pot on high. I've got a cup of tap water. I use tap water because we're on a well that doesn't have chlorine in it, so I don't have to worry about chlorine and the hummingbirds. Okay, 1 cup water, 1/4 cup sugar. That, my friends, is all you need to take care of your hummingbirds. There's no need to buy all the nectar that's in the grocery store or the big box store because all the red dyes is bad for your hummingbirds. All you need is sugar and water. 4 parts water to 1 part sugar. And I have a red hummingbird feeder. They're attracted to the color red. They love it. So while this is coming up to a boil, I'm going to run outside, get my hummingbird feeder. We're going to rinse it out. And then, once this cools off a little bit, we are going to fill it and make our hummingbirds happy again. I need to refill my little bird moat. This, my friend, keeps the ants out of your hummingbird feeder. I saw it on a YouTube video a couple of years ago. I thought it was crazy. But get on Amazon and grab that. All you do is fill it full of water. And there you go. But this is my hummingbird feeder. I'm going to take it inside, wash it, make sure that, everything is clean. Don't want to have spoiled feed or anything like that in there. And they'll be back here on it in a little bit. Okay. I don't see him right now, but I have a hummingbird that sits out in that tree right there. That's a weeping cherry tree. But he'll sit up there on that highest branch and he'll guard this feeder. It is so funny to watch the hummingbirds. Okay, that's come to a good boil. We'll take it off the heat and let it cool. And we're going to get our feeder ready for that. Okay, after our hummingbird nectar has cooled down, we grab a funnel. Yeah, I realize this funnel's a little bit big, but the other one's in the dishwasher. Real life, guys. Okay. Just pour that in there. Make sure everything fits securely. Line it back up. Then we take it outside, turn it upright, and hang it up. And there you go, guys. You don't have to go out and buy the hummingbird nectar and put all the red dye in there because they're going to come to this red feeder. I hope this helped you guys. Have a great day.